In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post on Twitter or X app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up X app on our iPhone or Android smartphone. And once the app is open, make sure you are signed into your X account. And basically now all we have to do in order to start making a post is just tap right here at this plus button at the bottom right. And now we can easily create our post. Now, by the way, posts are no longer called tweets, so we can right now here enter our text. Also, here we can add audio message by tapping at this button. We can attach some photo here, just like that. Also, we can add GIF. We can add a location, and from here also by tapping at this button, we can attach some kind of a poll with options to choose. And once you are ready to share it, before that actually you can set privacy level for this post, and then once you are ready to share, just hit right here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.